Hey, today we're gonna have some generic angel hair spaghetti pasta. And we couldn't decide between these frozen meatballs and tomato sauce or olive oil.
Right, we're gonna use olive oil and some mushrooms.
I think that sounds good. What brand is this? Giant? It looks like it.
Oh yeah.
Angel hair. Enriched macaroni product. In case you didn't know. And she's gonna try out her new Creuset pan.
Look what I got for Christmas.
Show the sticker.
Rick bought me this for Christmas, and I can't wait to use it. So we're going to use it right now.
Yeah. I wanted to leave the sticker on, but we're going to wash it and take the sticker off because probably should have, right?
Yeah.
And then I'm going to try this new grinder you got. She also got a little mini Cuisinart. I'm going to throw onion and some garlic in there. Garlic too, right?
Right. We're going to use.
We got a little red onion. Oh, I'm not going to put the mushrooms in there though, but.
No, I'm going to slice the mushrooms.
Mushrooms.
And then we're going to cook it in the olive oil.
Red onion.
With the onions and spices.
And I'll throw some real garlic in that chopper there.
What size is this pan? Can you read that?
It's a great. 3 or 4.
It's a great size.
3.5 liters.
Okay.
Is that a thing?
Yeah. So what's nice about it, it has nice high sides. And
there's a little lip on it.
It makes it a little bit versatile because it's not just a regular old frying pan.
You really wanted it because of the extra handle there, right?
Yeah, it's
because
nice
you have other ones.
Yeah, because these are so heavy, especially when they're full of food. And this is a nice way to pick it up safely.
All right, so we're just going to boil that spaghetti. You know how to do that. And
yeah.
I'll show you a couple pulses of this chopper here.
Right. We're going to wash the pan first. And we'll get cooking here.
I'm getting so hungry talking about it. You hungry?
I'm hungry.
Okay, let's see. Onions. Oh, we got real garlic up here. Right, let me get a hunk of them.
Okay.
Real garlic. See? I'll just bust it up and... How many you like? Oh, look at them. I'll just peel the skin off of them quick.
Oh, I would like a handful of that.
4 or 5 of them in there.
Yeah,
right?
at least 5.
Yeah. Peel this.
Very nice.
There they are. Oh, it's so strong. What kind of onion? You said that's a shallot?
They're shallots,
I don't know.
They're very strong and a lot of flavor.
Yeah, it's real strong. The garlic too.
Look, here's the mushrooms we're going to use. I sliced them.
This is going to be good.
Creamy. Nice white mushrooms. And I'm going to take some nice olive oil and drizzle this on, but we're going to have enough olive oil that it'll cover the pasta too. Nice.
Good. I'm going to put these in this new grinder here, see how that goes. Cuisinart. I got a mini chopper. I think I should cut this in half, maybe? Or just put it in and see what happens.
Oh, I would cut it up a little bit.
The garlic I can put in. You get 2 choices here. Chop or grind. Chop goes one way, grind goes the other way. That's the only difference I see here. Because I grinded my nuts in there for my ice cream. Wow. That's a real strong onion. Who peeled that? Layers, donkey. What do you think? Chop or grind? Oh. See, it's jumping around. Let me go to grind. Boy, it's a jumper, ain't it? Just take 2 hands. Let's look at it. Yeah, what do you think? Huh, look at that. I don't want to pulverize it. Too late. Wait, stop. Here, onion garlic salad. I'll put that in the olive oil pan or wait?
Wait. Wow. Right. You want it cooked?
Oh, yeah, I don't know. How should we do it? Maybe get it warm at least, right?
Okay, put it in with the mushrooms.
Okay, that's going to be good.
I'll bring the pan to you.
Okay.
These are starting with the olive oil.
Oh, it's going to smell so good.
Oh yeah, that's going to be
That ain't
good.
bad. I'm going to scrape that out back into the pan. Is there olive oil in there yet?
Oh yeah, there's olive oil
We're
in
gonna
there.
put more on though to drizzle it on our angel hair, right?
Right.
I
Let's
mean,
do
if
it
you
right
can do that. Yeah, all right. Gonna be a good supper.
Oh yeah.
I'll eat it. We got more too, right? If we run out, but that's gonna be enough.
Oh,
All
we
right.
have more.
Got any fancy bread, or are we gonna eat that hippie bread? Whole pound going in. Found a couple rolls back there, right? Keep it warm.
A couple
See?
rolls. Check this out.
Love it.
Doesn't that look nice?
Yeah.
Brown mushrooms and shallots are flavoring the olive oil.
That smells so good. That's good for us too, right?
Yeah.
How's that little Creuset working?
La Creuset, perfect size for this.
We're from France. Ready?
Yep. This is a heavy pan. I'm glad they put two sides on it. Let me first get us some pasta on the plate.
I like it. I like it.
I know. And then,
You want some?
yep, I want some. I'll scoot over here a little bit. That's nice.
Oh, we could melt some cheese on there or anything.
Yeah.
You could.
All right, then. I slipped a little garlic bread in the toaster oven.
Okay. Here comes the piece of resistance.
Wow, look at this. Look how nice those shallots blended in with the
I
mushrooms.
chopped them.
And we're gonna put them on top. We'll put some on this bowl. Then we can add the olive oil. Ooh, little on there. You can go back to that for seconds if you want. Here comes the toasted garlic bread. which is
Okay.
perfect.
I'll have a couple hunks of that. Oh boy,
Ooh,
it really smells good.
garlicky. We'll start with this, okay? I'm gonna sit it back in the toaster oven.
Okay.
Keep it warm.
I'm gonna come over there and sit down at the table. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
I'm readier.
All right, I'm gonna add a little oregano to mine.
Sure looks good.
Yeah. Should I put some oregano in yours?
Okay.
How's that?
Good. Everybody wants some of this.
Yeah. Woo-wee.
Right? You want some? I want some butter on these buns. Brr, brr.
Well, I put butter on before I
Oh, okay.
put the garlic on.
Extra.
That's okay. But this is a nice dinner and it's meatless.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Meatless dinner.
This could have been on our Pass the Word channel, couldn't it?
Yeah, that's exactly right. We can make something like this on there.
Does it taste different than La Creuset?
Oh, the flavors. Those shallots are a very flavorful little onion. I think that worked out good. Oh, a little cheese.
What's beeping around here? Always something beeping. All these toys, gadgets.
You've got mail.
Yes.
You've got mail. You've got mail.
Ah! They're grinding it up just right, right?
Yeah, they're perfect in that little grinder.
Could have really pulverized them really quick. But I did it just right.
Look how quick everything went with it. The mushrooms took minutes to make, you know? And look what it added to our dish.
Scrumptious.
Scrumptious. So how's everybody's week going?
There's a couple warm days for a change.
Yes, I appreciated those warm days.
Yeah, I hope we don't get no more snow.
I went out into my shed and worked in my workshop.
You got it made. So, hate to eat and run.
Are you running?
Still watching Landman. It's
Oh,
pretty
yeah.
good. But now we're all caught up and we have to wait, you know.
I know. I like when we can watch like 4 at one time.
Yeah, when the whole season, we watched the whole first season. We got one. There's one more coming out this Sunday, so that'll be 2. But then you gotta wait 2 more weeks to see what's gonna happen.
Yeah, we'll have to start watching something else for
The last
fun.
2 we saw wasn't so great. I mean, nothing major happens. Like a cliffhanger, you know.
Yeah. I think it's a good show, though.
Yeah, it's good. Man. What else did we see? We saw F1. It was okay. The racing one with Brad Pitt. You like that? It was pretty good. Exciting. If you like that kind of stuff. Still got a lot of cookies. Still eating them. I think I gained 5 pounds over this month.
Well, I was happy to get this Le Creuset pan from Rick for Christmas. And I have in mind some really good recipes. And it's a nice size because you can make something in it that you need it to be deep and still holds a lot like a frying pan. So we had a lot of plans on this pot, right? Maybe Rick doesn't know what they are yet. But I've been looking up for some recipes that I want to try.
Sounds good.
Do you need more mushrooms on there? There's more in the pan.
Yeah, I'll take some more.
I don't know if you want more pasta.
I think I have enough pasta.
Okay, we'll use the toppings then. Yeah, that's better, huh? Nice more olive oil. I'll use some too, yep.
That's the best part.
I didn't know if you wanted another helping.
Well, I think I have enough pasta, but we have some back there we could use for leftovers.
Yep.
We could use them frozen meatballs then with that. Right?
Or you could even make some nice cold pasta salad or something like that with that.
Oh, spaghetti?
Guess you didn't like that idea.
I'm a hamburger guy.
Oh, this is so nice.
Angel hair. Okay, we have a bunch of different kinds of pasta over there. Would you like to win $20,000 a month for life?
Or
Or Netflix, Love is Blind. I don't know what that is. I guess that's a show, but you can win $20,000 there.
well, let's see.
Yeah.
I'll rub this one, you rub that one.
All right. I was gonna get a coin, but I can use my finger now. Oh, you want me to do this one? We have to win, right? All right, I'll do yours first.
Okay.
I guess that might be for Valentine's Day since it says Love is Blind.
Yeah.
Another excuse to pick a man's
I
pocket.
was going to say one of my favorite holidays.
Ah,
Woo!
$4.
All right.
That's your present.
Thank you.
Me. Oh.
What'd you win?
That's all right. Thanks for eating with us. Check Kathy's Fancy channel. She got fancy stuff on there. Good recipes.
Yeah, I have a lot more ideas to add there.
Yeah.
I have to get busy.
And we should have put this on our pasta channel. Pasta. The pasta or pasta? Pasta? What's antipasta? Antipasta. What is that? Antipasto.
That's usually a salad that has,
Pasta?
well, usually antipasto has chopped up
like
meat
bologna and stuff like that.
and cheese. Mhm.
And does it have pasta in it? Then why is it antipasta? Does it?
That's something for you to look up. I'm sure some people will fill you in.
I think it has pasta in it. And I say, why is it called antipasta? But it's pasta. I'm not that educated. I'm just a working man. Try this. It's real easy and pretty inexpensive. It's good for you. All right. Thanks for being with us again. We love you. Still playing with my cars. Thank you very much. Love it. Can't wait to go outside and play.
Yeah.
I want to move. Remember, I'm going to win the house maybe down in North Carolina. Maybe.
We're happy that as the season changes, we get to spend more time outside.
Don't go changing. Except the weather.
Have a good weekend, everyone.
Bye. See ya. I gotta need a new chair. This thing's so squeaky. This is a new chair. Kinda early. Ooh.